former Senate President Atiku Abubakar has been named acting chairman Board of Trustees of the People's Democratic Party following the resignation of Walid Jibrin at the ongoing Board of Trustees meeting in Abuja. Human rights activist Mahid Cheo has called on the All Progressive Congress presidential flag bearer in the 2023 general elections, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to publicly answer basic questions that will verify the validity of his high school attendance. Governor Rotimi Akeredolu of Ondo State is making a case for officers of the Western Nigerian Security Network, codenamed Amotekun Corps, to bear arms to protect the people of the state. The news agency of Nigeria, NAN, reports that Anyagu was recently appointed as the spokesman for the Atiku campaign organization ahead of the open campaigns to drive the Atiku Okowa ticket to fruition come 2023. According to Anyagu, former President Obasanjo, who Atiku worked with as vice president between 1999 and 2007, saw his capabilities and Atiku helped him to reposition the country's economy. He said that though they might have their differences with regards to politics, Obasanjo still supported Atiku's presidential bid in 2019. Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike was conspicuously missing when the PDP presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar met with the 2023 presidential aspirants of the party. The meeting, which took place in Abuja, had presidential aspirants from the southern part of the country in attendance. Among those who attended were Dele Momodu, Tari Oliver, Charles Ugu, and Kalu Chikwendu, while a northern aspirant, Muhammad Hayatuddin, was also present. Nigerian politicians Zeno Melai and Femi Fani-Kayode has been dissing each other on social media by dropping videos insulting one another. In a bid to resolve the messy crisis in the PDP, 17 governorship candidates of the party visited Governor Nyesom Wike to beg him to make peace with the party's presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar. Still on Nyesom Wike, he has challenged anyone to show him one federal government project in Rivers State since 1999. He hinted that the state did not benefit anything from the federal government even when the People's Democratic Party held sway in the country from 1999. Do you think Wike will forgive Atiku?